Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Before I start off this video, I just want to mention that this was the first video that I started filming again after not filming for months. So in my opinion, it's kind of sloppy. There are a lot of wobbly shots and out of focus shots. Sorry about that. I hope it won't bother you too much. It's a really fun video, so please bear with me. It will get better, I promise. Okay, enjoy the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to do a desk makeover, desk area makeover. As I mentioned in another video, I have moved into a new house with my boyfriend and I have a home office right now. My desk area is, it's really not good. This is my desk area right now. I hate it. I really do not like it whatsoever. I like the decoration, some of it that I have. I still have to put a picture in this. This is like a picture frame that I got from a thrift store, which I think is really cute, but there's still no picture in it. But for the rest, like the lamp, I have this really cute new plant over here with a plant pot that I like. There's nothing wrong with that, but the desk, it's not even a desk, it's just a little black table. The last owner of the house left this and I thought, let's just use this as a temporary desk. I hate it so much, so I'm so glad it's finally gonna go. I cannot look at it anymore. The chair I had at my mom's house, it was good. It was a very nice chair, but it is time to go. I've used this for too many years. So I ordered a new chair. We have to put that together and I got a new desk, but it is literally the same as in the studio, so literally the one we have downstairs right now. But I like that table and I could get it for really cheap secondhand, and I thought let's just do this one again because I know how it is. I like the size, I like how it looks. So I got the same one. For the decoration part, I'm not going to be doing that right this second. You will see it in this video, but I will do that another day because I don't have everything ready for it yet. I do also want to put a shelf up here, so if you have been with me since the studio, you know that I had this shelf above my bed. We're gonna use that shelf. We're gonna make it a little bit shorter because it was really long, and I want that one put above my desk. We're gonna decorate that all at my desk, but for today it's only gonna be the desk itself and the chair, and I'm really excited for that already. I just could not wait until I had everything ready. Before we get started, maybe a little tour of our home office would be nice. It's not so big, but let me just show you around. So when you come in, you have these big drawers things. If you paid attention, this is what my bed was made of in the studio. So right now the decoration is also just kind of stuff thrown together because I did not have anything better right now. We have a round window over here, which is just the best part of this room. It makes this room so cozy. It's just so cute. Then we have the desk area of my boyfriend. So this is where he works when he's at home. Then we have these big windows over here, which is really nice. We do want to put up curtains. Actually, the ones that were in the studio, probably we want to make them shorter and hang them up. The mother of my boyfriend will do that for us, so I won't be filming that. And then we have my desk area. So it's still really wide, but you know, it takes a lot of time. And we do have a full house now to decorate. Really looking forward to doing this right now. So let's stop talking and let's get to work. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna clear out my desk so that I can get rid of the table and put the new table in place. In case you've missed the introduction with Phoebe, this is Phoebe. Say hi. Okay, now that I have it upside down, I have this thing from IKEA, like a cable organizer. I can attach it to the bottom of the table and then I can put my cables into it so I don't have all the cables lying on the floor. I think it looks really messy, so I got this from IKEA. I think I'm gonna try and attach it myself. Normally I would try and do this with my boyfriend right now, but we are strong, independent women and my boyfriend is not here. It just looks like a couple of screws and you know it's from IKEA, so everyone should be able to do this, right? Let's just try and attach this. For the people who want to know, it's the Signum cable organizer, I would call this. It says here in the instructions if the table is thicker than 21 millimeters that you have to use a drill to make a hole in first. So I cannot do this by myself. We are strong, independent women. That's so sad. I was all ready to do this. I'm gonna let my boyfriend do that. So I can't do that right now. That is so sad. Okay, since I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna put the table in its place and then we're gonna move on to the chair. It's so much bigger, that is so weird. I really have to get used to how big it is. The other one was so small. Chair! So I got this chair from Sklum, obviously not sponsored. It was not expensive at all, but it did have a lot of great reviews, so I thought let's go for this one. I am gonna fit it together right now. It's not falling apart. I think I did it. Comfy. There we go. I did it all by myself. I'm so proud of me. Oh. It's on the outside, sweetie. Okay, let's put the decorations back that I had and then we are done for today. I think the chair is very well received. Do you like it? I will be back. See you soon. Bye. Hi and welcome back. It is a few months later. Broke my hand in the meantime, you know, so it had to wait a while. We're here now. As you might be able to see in the background, I have a shelf now. My boyfriend put it up for me and I'm so happy with it. Yes, I'm so sorry. I already printed out some pictures. Okay, hear me out. So for my birthday, I got this Instax printer and I have been wanting it for years and I finally got it. I also have a normal Polaroid camera, but I just don't really take that anywhere with me. And there are just a ton of photos that I would love to have on tiny Polaroids because Polaroids are awesome. I love Polaroids, they're the best. I finally got it. I needed to use it and with a friend, we put this together. And every time I've done a wall collage, it has taken me hours, just literally hours. So I'm so sorry, but I did that already, but it's really cute. Let me show you. So I printed out a ton of Polaroids and also, as you might be able to tell, I printed out 2 normal pictures too. Well, they're not my pictures. I found them on Pinterest and I thought they were really cute. So these are by the same artist, so they fit really well together. And over here I have this monthly poster. I love this. I found this artist on Pinterest and for every month they made a poster like this and I am obsessed with it. So I thought, yes, I want that. I will put the name in screen. It's on the poster, but I, for the love of God, cannot read it. I'm so sorry. I am obsessed with how this turned out, but it's a little bear with nothing on top or below. So we have to work on that today. I also got curtains. It already makes the room so much cozier. I have collected and bought a ton of decorations, so I am ready to decorate this and finish it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. There's one thing I forgot to show you, and that is this. The salt lamp I already had, of course, but I got this LED strip behind my desk. It is part of our smart home thingy, so my boyfriend did that for me. But it is so cute. It's from IKEA. It was like €4, I believe, 3 meters. I don't even know. I don't think that's right. I don't know. It's from IKEA and it looks great. It works great. That was all. Now we're gonna decorate. Okay, lastly, I have two big things. I've got this really cute basket that I thought I could put a blanket in. When I'm cold, I can just grab the blanket. So that is really cute. And I also have this chair thing. I don't know the word in English. I thought this is perfect. This has two purposes. One is being like a foot chair. So when I'm sitting at my desk, I can put my feet up. And I can also use this as a seat to film my video. So I can sit on this when I'm filming over there. At my last two homes, I was just sitting on my bed, but I don't make videos in my bedroom anymore. So this is going under my desk. For this, we can just put beautiful. And that is done. Oh my god. Okay, let me give you a tour. So here is the finished result. I love it so much. So just to show you, here we have the little basket with my blanket and we can have the foot chair beneath it. If you remember, I tried to put this up and I did not succeed, but it is there now. Kind of messy, but at least it's not messy on the floor. You don't see it. I love it. I'm so happy with that. We of course have the chair from Sklem. I got this big mouse mat from AliExpress and I love the color. It's so pretty. It still has some folds in it from being rolled up, but I hope that'll go out eventually. I got this plant from downstairs because I was missing a plant here, so I snatched another one. And these are familiar. I've had these since the studio. Then I got this monitor stand. I can't put the link down below, but I believe it's a Dutch website. It was a little bit high, so my boyfriend made it a little bit shorter. Over here, I put two books. I just thought it was fun to put something underneath it. Then over there, we have all my SD cards and stuff and two fake plants that I've had for years and years. Over here, we have the salt lamp, the little ducky, my adorable picture frame that I got from a thrift store, and I printed some pictures out. A couple of them so I can switch around. Then moving up, I love the pictures. I still love these pink fluffy balls. I put my plant out there. I just love plants like that on shelves like this. I love it. Then I have some more books up here and the froggy. I also have a book stand here from H&M Home, which I really like. And this is just some random decoration. This thingy used to hang in my car. We got a new car and I never put it back. So I thought, let's put it here. I thought it might be cute and I was right. I love it. So this is the finished product. So that is it. I am so happy with how this turned out. I really like it a lot. I think it's so cozy. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope I will see you in the next one.